Hi guys, my name is Derek with This Worthy Life, and today we're going to be making dirty rice with smoky grilled sausage. And it stems from my love of both paella and dirty rice. Years ago when I was in Marbella, Spain, I had paella and I fell in love with it. Subsequently, when I was there, I met someone from Louisiana and they introduced me to dirty rice. And I was torn. I love both of them. So today is my recipe that is a mashup of both of the recipes. We're going to be using a long grain rice. So I have 4 cups here. I'm going to add it to my Instant Pot. And instead of water for the rice, I'm going to be using a clam juice. Now, if you don't have clam juice, you can use a chicken stock or vegetable stock. And I'm going to add my saffron. Now, saffron is used in the traditional paella recipe. It adds flavor, but it's also going to turn the rice a yellow color, which gives paella its traditional color. And you want to stir the saffron really good to make sure that the rice is evenly coated. And then you're going to add your smoked paprika. And to give it a little heat, I'm adding some red chili flake and your Cajun seasoning. Adding a little bit of freshly cracked black pepper. I prefer using freshly cracked black pepper because it has better flavor. It's more intense as opposed to regular ground pepper. Adding on this a quick stir. Make sure all the ingredients are combined. Put the lid on, let it cook for 10 minutes. We'll vent it and fluff the rice. And while that's cooking, I'm going to prepare my sausage on the grill. The sausage we're using today is Zatarain's Cajun style smoked sausage because it's versatile, it's easy to use, and it's a great way to add flavor to almost any recipe. Whether it's a dirty rice with smoky grilled sausage or my Cajun deep fried corn dogs. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this. Now, I love charcoal because you get some of that smoke that I impart into the sausage. Okay, I'm gonna cut the sausage. I love cutting the sausage on a bias at a nice diagonal. I like the look of it. Now we're going to saute our aromatics. Have some red onion and some red pepper and some garlic. I'm going to start with the red onion. Add a little olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the skillet. And add the onions. Add a little salt. And a little fresh black pepper. And we'll let those saute until they get translucent. All right, now we're gonna add our red pepper. And these are diced, the fine dice on them. Same with the onions. And I'm gonna add my garlic. I have 4 cloves of minced garlic. So we'll let that saute for another couple minutes. And then we'll fold it into our rice and sausage. So the rice is done. You can smell the saffron. You can smell the Zatarain's Cajun style smoked sausage, and it smells so good. So right now I'm gonna fold in my aromatics, and that's my red pepper, my onions, and the garlic. And you can layer it on there like that. You don't have to toss it, or if you want to, you can toss it all together. Now just add the sausage. And this is really the star of the dish. It just really makes it pop. And then you're gonna just garnish it with, I have some serrano pepper and some green onion, and I'm going to finish it with some parsley on top, and just tear it by hand. And there you go. And you serve it with slices of lemon. Just squeeze it right on top. Add a little salt. And sometimes I'll even drizzle it with a good olive oil. Wow. That is so good. The Zatarain's Cajun style smoked sausage, it works so well with all the ingredients. All the flavors have melded. You have that Cajun influence, you have that paella influence, and it just is so balanced. You got the garlic. I love all the fresh aromatics. Really good. You gotta try this recipe. You can find the recipe on Food52.